Hi students, I hope this session will help you understand how to solve the problems by using order of operation. What is order of operation? Order of operation is a set of rules which we are used to solve maths problems. This order of operation is remembered as a BODMAS and a BODMAS as well. When we're talking about BODMAS, each letter is represent a specific functions there. The B is stand for the bracket, O is stand for the order of a power, D is stand for the division, M is stand for the multiplication, A is stand for the addition, and S is stand for the subtraction. We have to use these operations in the order. Let me explain how to solve these examples. In the first example is 16 minus 5 times it by 2. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to be writing BODMAS at the side in your book, and then check which operation comes first. So B is stand for the bracket, there is no bracket. O is stand for the order of operation, there is no order, there is no division, but there is a multiplication present. The multiplication is between 5 and 2, so 5 times again by 2, which is equal to 10. Put negative sign as it is and 16 as it is. So then 16 take away 10, which is equal to 6 is the answer there. If I'm looking at the next example, 10 minus 3 squared. So order of operation, P is stand for the bracket, O is stand for the order of power. So the power 3 to the power of 2. So 3 to the power of 2 means that I have to be multiplying 3 2 times. 3 times it by 3. So 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. So 10 take away 9 is equal to 1 there. Now I will explain this example when bracket is present. If you look at in the question, 3 plus 9 times bracket open 7 minus 2 bracket close. If I remember the BODMAS rule, the bracket always comes first. So I have to be solve this first, 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. Then I have to be put the rest of the number as it is. So then times, then 9, then plus, then 3. Then there is no order of operation, there is no division sign, then there is a multiplication sign is present. So then I solve 9 is multiplying with 5, which is equal to 45. Then plus 3 as it is. So 45 plus 3, which is equal to 48 there. Now I will explain this example. 50 minus 2 to the power of 3 times it by 4. According to the BODMAS rule, the bracket always comes first. So there is no bracket present in the question. Then I have to go for order of power. As I see that the power is 2 to the power of 3 there. So I have to be solve it first. So 2 to the power of 3 means that I have to be multiplying 2 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. Now I have to be replace this power with 8. So it become 50 minus 8 times it by 4. Then I have to be check for the division. There is no division sign. Then I have to be check for the multiplication. As I see that the multiplication is present there. So 8 times 4, which is equal to 32. Then minus, then 50. Then 50 take with 32, which is equal to 18 there.